Number 11. Speak up. It means to express one's opinion loudly and clearly.
If you disagree, you should speak up. If you disagree, you should speak up. She spoke up about the issues during the meeting. She spoke up about the issues during the meeting. Don't be afraid to speak up for what you believe. Don't be afraid to speak up for what you believe.
Number 12. Stand by. It means to support or remain loyal to someone or something.
I'll stand by you no matter what happens. I'll stand by you no matter what happens. The company stands by its promise of quality. The company stands by its promise of quality. He stood by his decision despite the criticism. He stood by his decision despite the criticism.
Number 13. Stand one's ground. It means to maintain one's position firmly and refuse to yield.
Despite the pressure, she stood her ground. Despite the pressure, she stood her ground. You have to stand your ground in negotiations. You have to stand your ground in negotiations. He stood his ground against the bullies. He stood his ground against the bullies.
Number 14. Stand out. It means to be noticeably different or better than others.
Her talent for painting really stands out. Her talent for painting really stands out. That bright jacket makes you stand out in a crowd. That bright jacket makes you stand out in a crowd. He's trying to stand out in a highly competitive field. He's trying to stand out in a highly competitive field.
Number 15. Stay away from. It means to avoid going near someone or something.
Stay away from the edge of the cliff. Stay away from the edge of the cliff. He's been staying away from sweets to lose weight. He's been staying away from sweets to lose weight. You should stay away from trouble. You should stay away from trouble.